Hi, this is Sarah Spencer with Vermont Chalky Paint. I've had a lot of feedback from you folks saying, can you show us details how you did this kitchen over for Steve's kitchen? Absolutely. We wanted to update the kitchen. Absolutely nothing wrong with the cabinets. It's just they were 30 years old and Steve wanted an update. He had dark appliances he wasn't willing to replace, and he also had this beautiful backsplash. So we thought that the Greystone would really pull the whole room together and have a monotone look. So the way this started is we took all of the cabinet doors down, marked them with tape. Do that so that you know which cabinet goes back first. So we did lower cabinets L 1 through 10 and upper cabinets U through 1 through 10. And we did very light first coats. So do not try to cover the cabinet in the first coat. It is the most common mistake that my customers make, is they try to put way too much paint on. They're going to get glopping, the drips, all of that. You want to take your time with this, and of course a clean cabinet door. I just use Dawn dish detergent and clean them that way. I also put the paint in these ketchup bottles. They're great to work with, and I work from the inside out, and I evenly spread the paint with the ketchup bottle. It just controls things a little more. Of course, you can pour from our Easy Pour, Easy Store jugs too, so either way works great. I use the round brush that's provided in the ProPack, and I rub it evenly in. And sometimes I'll use the little foam brush to get those corner crevices. Sometimes those can be a little tricky to get. So I just am rubbing back and forth with the brush, of course, with the grain of the wood. That's also important to do. And that will reduce the amount of brush strokes that you have in the piece. This is the drizzle. So in the Greystone piece, it's graphite. Go light with this stuff, and I only put it in the corners where you're going to see a shadow. So that's what gives the piece its depth, its farmhouse driftwood rustic look, and that's the look that you look for with the ProPacks. I've had some feedback from people saying, well, it really doesn't look finished. This technique isn't necessarily that refined look. If you want that, you may just want to stay with the Greystone coat. I've also had questions, can you put this in a spray? Yes, you absolutely can, but you're going to want to dilute it a little bit. I usually do 1 part water to 3 parts paint. That usually seems to do the trick for me. So while I'm working on the cabinet doors, Steve, the homeowner, is working on the carcass and the trim work inside of the kitchen.
What I'm noticing too is one of the things people want to make sure they do is paint with the grain of the wood.
Yes.
Especially stuff like this, because it's so easy to go the other way and
Notice that Steve is using a Purdy clear-cut brush. This is not included in your ProPack, but certainly a tool you'll want to have if you're painting your kitchen. It's great for those narrow edges and also edging between the wall and the ceiling. And here are our final cabinets. They have 2 coats of clear coat on them, and you can see a nice sheen on each cabinet door, which helps with cleaning. So these are very easy to keep clean and very durable, as we like to call them. Another trick you'll want to use is putting your hardware in sandwich bags inside the cabinet doors so it's easy to find them after when you're ready to hang your cabinets. Kitchen cabinet makeovers can cost thousands of dollars ripping out old cabinets. Why do it when you can do 1 ProPack to take care of an entire kitchen, all yourself? Try our Greystone ProPack, all you need in 1 kit. There's no sanding, no priming, no smell, no kidding. Non-toxic substitute for polyurethane. Get your ProPack at VermontChalkyPaint.com.